Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that promises to enhance your car's appearance while also protecting its surface. We found this product online and have added the link in the description, so you can easily check the latest price and availability. Introducing the 3D Speed All-in-One Polish and Wax, a remarkable solution designed to tackle both correction and protection for your vehicle's paintwork. This innovative product is specifically formulated to cut through light swirls, oxidation, and scratches, while also sealing the surface with a protective wax coat. It's an all-in-one product that makes the detailing process not only efficient but also highly effective. One of the standout features of 3D Speed is its ability to restore color depth and gloss. If you're tired of dull and lifeless paint, this product will revive your vehicle's original clarity and depth, providing a wet, mirror-like finish. Whether you have a brand new car that needs a little shine or an older vehicle that could use some love, 3D Speed will bring out the best in your finish, leaving it smooth, vibrant, and securely protected. When it comes to application, ease is key. The 3D Speed Polish and Wax goes on smoothly, almost like butter, and wipes off clean without leaving any residue behind. This means you can use it for quick touch-ups by hand or employ a dual-action polisher for larger panels. It's designed for speed and simplicity, making it the ultimate time saver for both weekend warriors and professional detailers alike. Another important benefit is its effortless ability to remove scratches and swirl marks. 3D Speed effectively tackles minor surface imperfections without the need for aggressive compounding. This feature makes it ideal for maintaining your vehicle's appearance or preparing it for a car show. Plus, it's safe for clear coat finishes, so you can have peace of mind knowing that your paint is being protected while you work on restoring its beauty. So, who is 3D Speed suitable for? This product is perfect for anyone who wants to take their car detailing game to the next level. Whether you're a casual car enthusiast looking to maintain your vehicle's appearance or a professional detailer seeking reliable results for your clients, 3D Speed meets the needs of all. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for those who might not have a lot of experience with detailing products. In practical use cases, think about how 3D Speed can fit into your routine. Perhaps you have a vehicle that's been exposed to the elements and is in need of a refresh. You can quickly apply this product to restore its luster without spending hours on multiple products. Or maybe you're gearing up for a car show and want your vehicle to look its absolute best. A quick polish and wax with 3D Speed will ensure your car has that standout, high-gloss finish that catches eyes. With over 25 years of detailing innovation, 3D Speed is proudly made in the USA and trusted by professional detailers worldwide. When you see 3D on the bottle, you know you're getting a product that delivers real results and performance you can count on. In summary, the 3D Speed All-in-One Polish and Wax is a game-changer for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's appearance while providing protection all in one step. It's easy to use, highly effective, and suitable for both amateurs and pros alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.